If you want to connect your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL to a computer and transfer data, then in that case you can use the USB-C cable or USB-C to USB-A, depending if you have USB-A or USB-C port on your computer. So connect your Pixel 10 Pro XL with your computer, and after that you might see a notification. You will most likely see a notification in silent section charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification in order to go to USB preferences, and over here you want to switch to file transfer / Android Auto. And there we go. Now you should have access to files that you have on your phone, on your computer. And in order to find these files, you just want to open your PC and you should be able to find your Pixel 10 Pro XL. Then we have the internal storage, and we have all folders and files that we have on our phone. So if you go to DCIM, you can find photos and videos that you took, and all other files are of course spread in these folders. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.